Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to change Sceptre monitor to 120 Hz step-by-step refresh rate settings. To change your Sceptre monitor to 120 Hz, you must adjust the settings within your connected PC or console operating system, as monitor hardware cannot change its own refresh rate from the built-in OSD menu. First, how to change Sceptre monitor to 120 Hz. Make sure the monitor is connected with a cable that supports 120 Hz at your resolution, ideally DisplayPort or the correct HDMI port for your model. Then right-click on the desktop and open Display Settings, scroll to Advanced Display Settings, and select the correct Sceptre monitor if you have more than one display. Now open Display Adapter Properties and go to the Monitor tab. Open Screen Refresh Rate and choose 120 Hz if it appears. Then click Apply and confirm the change. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.